Greetings, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the Element fire extinguisher, both the 50 and the 100. The 50 stands for 50 seconds of dispersion, 100 is 100 seconds of dispersion. In the box here, let's take a closer look. Here's what comes in the box. It's very nicely done. It does come with the instructions, what it's used for, and it does have a very small holder with it. You can get the aftermarket holder, which we do have. It's in the Jeep. Well, what the heck here? Come out. There we go. Tops off. Very nice, very stable. About the size of a road flare, because that's about what it represents. The clip does have two holes, so you can zip tie or fasten it with screws. Take the top off, you can see there's the striker. Okay. Nice grip on the handle. Instructions on the fire extinguisher itself. Solid base fire extinguishers take up a lot less room. They don't expire. They're easier to put just about anywhere, and they last way longer than your bottle type fire extinguisher. We use these all the time in our safety classes, and these are, when people can see that a little bottle extinguisher only gives you a few seconds, and this gives you 50 seconds, the difference in being able to get your stuff or get your loved ones out of your vehicle that's burning is essential. Now, fire extinguishers, they say they don't really extinguish in most cases. They buy you some time to get out of your burning vehicle or burning house or burning whatever's burning. So the Element is great for class A, B, C, and K fires. So it works on a wide variety of fires. It just, until you've seen one work, it has a crazy amount of dispersion. If I lit this up right here, it would smoke out this whole room. Made in Italy, this is the best fire extinguisher you can get. My name's Ryan, the Backroad Reviews. We'll see you out there.